This short clip is from my live trading room. You can engage directly with my fabulous team and me at LaDucTrading.com for all our research and trades. Or for just my daily live streams, you can access via YouTube memberships. All links are in the description. Carvana is getting a little shaky here. If there is a hit to their ability to charge outrageous interest, in other words, maybe the credit card companies are only hit with 10%, 20%, not 10% as Trump would like on their COF and these plays. But with Carvana, this would be a massive hit. So let's see if this is coming in because of risk. That would be something else to short against. I know a few of you love this one to short. I would see 446.80 as a good level to kind of push that down. In fact, I think we're going to be there today, but then we have to keep going for 424 and then 413. We need to clear 413 to make it back to 376 for CVNA. Well, Carvana just hit the 446.80, needs to stay inside that to push lower to 413. And then it really needs to push 413 to have any chance of refilling this channel of 376 for CVNA. ZM, I think this was Luke's. Basically, market found out they had invested in Anthropic. Anthropic will be going public this year, so it unlocks some new value. It also got above this kind of 90 monthly. And it continued to run. I think I have to put this on a better time frame here, like quarterly, to see if there's anything real about this. Look at this. That's the COVID high. Could never, ever, 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 ever meet that type of metric again. And yet, look on a quarterly. It needs to hit 107. That was the move higher. Needs to hit 107 and get and stay above 107. But you could also consider it as a chase to 107. So the last quarterly high was 92.80. I know, right? I'm looking for levels here. 92.80 to 107. That would be your channel of chase for ZM right here, just to make it clear. 92.80 to 107 is your channel of chase for ZM. Cisco looks great, by the way. Remember my 82? I think it's going to blow through 82, by the way. This could be just the setup with this gap up. Earnings not until February 11th. So, you know, I still have 82, but I also have this as a strong stock this year. Still like April support, scoop, breakout. Didn't hit my 82. I was not happy about that. Pulled back, but got really firmly defended at the 100-day. Double bounce, and then it broke above. Beautiful. And Cisco looks really good now with that gap up. And I will contend, I don't even remember why it gapped up on January 26th, but I really like Cisco. Still, nothing's changed on that. I think that'll be once 82. It probably goes right through it, and we'll be looking at it if 80, then 100 type of play for Cisco. I know that sounds weird, but take a look. If I was just to do this, you can see 2000 levels coming in at, 82. That was easy. So there's your high back in 2000, and it took forever and a day, and it's finally moved up to or approaching 82. Just needs to get and stay above. That's the goal. I still like Cisco a lot.
Join Club today to engage with Samantha and her team of 10 experts. Scan this QR code or click the link in the description. Subscribe to LaDuc Trading YouTube channel for more live trading room recap videos and other content.